Did you know that the global skincare industry is worth over $160 billion? With so much information out there, it's no wonder that misconceptions about skincare are everywhere. But what if some of the things you've believed about skincare are actually myths? Today, we're going to dive into the truth behind some of the most common skincare myths that might be affecting your routine. First, let's address the myth that expensive products are always better. Many people assume that higher-priced skincare products are more effective, but this isn't always the case. The cost of a product doesn't necessarily reflect its quality or how well it will work for your skin. In fact, a study found that many drugstore products can be just as effective as their high-end counterparts. What's important is to focus on the ingredients and how they match your skin type, rather than the price tag. Next, there's the widespread belief that people with oily skin don't need to use a moisturizer. The idea is that adding moisture to already oily skin will just make it greasier. However, skipping moisturizer can actually lead to your skin producing even more oil. This happens because when your skin becomes too dry, it goes into overdrive to produce more oil, trying to compensate for the lack of moisture. Using a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer can help keep your skin balanced and healthy without making it oilier. Another common myth is that you need to wash your face multiple times a day to keep it clean and clear. While cleansing is an important part of any skincare routine, overwashing can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. This can actually trigger your skin to produce more oil, causing the very problems you're trying to avoid. Dermatologists typically recommend washing your face twice a day, once in the morning and once at night, to maintain a healthy balance. Let's talk about the myth that you need to exfoliate daily to keep your skin glowing. While exfoliating helps remove dead skin cells, doing it too often can do more harm than good. Over-exfoliating can damage your skin's natural barrier, leading to redness, irritation, and even breakouts. Most people only need to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week, depending on their skin type. It's all about finding the right balance for your skin. Now let's debunk the myth that sunscreen is only necessary on sunny days. UV rays can penetrate through clouds and even windows, meaning your skin is exposed to them year-round, regardless of the weather. In fact, up to 80% of UV rays can pass through clouds, causing damage to your skin even on overcast days. This makes sunscreen an essential part of your daily skincare routine, no matter the season or weather conditions. Another pervasive myth is that drinking more water will automatically improve your skin's hydration. While staying hydrated is important for your overall health, it's not a magic cure for dry skin. Skin hydration is more about the moisture content on the surface of your skin, which is best managed with topical products like moisturizers. A good moisturizer helps lock in moisture and creates a barrier to prevent water loss from your skin, keeping it hydrated and smooth. Lastly, there's the myth that natural products are always safer and better for your skin. While it's true that many natural ingredients can be beneficial, the term natural isn't regulated, meaning it doesn't guarantee safety or effectiveness. Some natural ingredients can even cause allergic reactions or irritation. On the other hand, synthetic ingredients are often tested for safety and efficacy. What's most important is understanding your skin's needs and choosing products based on that, rather than focusing solely on whether something is labeled as natural. These myths have been around for so long that it's easy to see why they've become widely accepted. But understanding the science behind skincare can help you make informed choices that truly benefit your skin. Remember, skincare isn't one size fits all, and what works for one person might not work for another. By debunking these myths, we hope to help you approach your skincare routine with more knowledge and confidence. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to comment below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and myth-busting facts. See you next time.